everybody, this is Nora. I have a review for you today of these beautiful items from Beauty BigBang, and I am going to give you a close-up of them because these are, so yes, we are dealing with some charms and some gems. I will definitely give you a close-up of these because they are absolutely gorgeous. I am going to kill a couple of birds here with one stone. The gems that I have, let me show you the charms first. So these are so beautiful. We have some a range of seashells. We have some seahorse, mermaids, and yeah, the odd turtle right there. I haven't taken it out of the package, but I wanted to show you so you can see first how they first come packaged in this little plastic wrap. And I have, this is, the seal is broken because I've already tested this and I already did a mani with them that I will leave you with the picture of at the end. But I will also do a mani on my nails here before I move on to the base. Let me continue here. So with the package, this is a nail wheel, and let me go ahead and remove it from the back so you can see. Okay, so you can see how that comes on the wheel. And yes, so like I said, it's an assortment not only on the type of the charms, but in the colors, the color finish. As you can see, the turtle is black and silver with a little gem on the top of the shell. Super cute. I really wish there was one more of this one in here. We have some anchors that they appear to be, in comparison to the what it's gold here, they appear to be rose gold. But we have, like I just said, the gold and the silver. And I do like that assortment of finishes and obviously the shells, because the ones that I've had like these before, or that I've had from before, I have seashells and I have the starfish. But I don't have the other types of shells that are in here, and obviously the seahorse and the mermaids. So yes, I'm loving this wheel. Let me go ahead and bring you up close so you can see what these look like. Okay guys, so here they are. This one, I'm giving you a macro shot of you seeing the mermaid. I think I got some, let me push them to the side here so I can show you one at a time. So here's the mermaid, and I pulled only the gold ones so because they will show better against my white background. But here's the mermaid. Super cute. She looks like she can be resting like this. Yes, very pretty. And let's bring out the seahorse. Right there he is. This is the first time I had these, so I'm so happy they sent me these. They surprised me with this nail art wheel. And yes, I've already used them. And here's the seashell. So pretty. You can see all the details on these. And let's look at this one. And as far as comparison to my nails, so let's see. Well, yeah, these tiny ones, they're small enough, and I'll show you, see if I can pick it up. Use my katana. I mean, this is on my pinky. So even, let's see if I can, I don't have anything for it to stick to my nail just yet. But yeah, these are small enough that they will fit on even if you have short nails. Now the seahorse and the mermaid, of course, you may, even if you have short nails, if you have a long nail bit, see if I can, you might be able to do okay. See how, oh sorry, that's blurry. Okay, well, let me show you the anchor. Super cool, and you can tell that's the difference in the finish. How this is the more gold and the anchor has that rose gold finish. And here's the little turtle. Super cute. I mean, look at that. How does she even, you can see her eyes. And I love the little gem on the top. And let's see, and this is, try to pick her up. So it has a little bit of a concave, or it has a little bit of a, so it's not completely flat on the back, and that's good. So having it on the nail. And the other item that I want to combine those with is this wheel, and I've had just one of these before in the royal blue color. They send me these emerald green color ones. Absolutely gorgeous. This one I opened the package only to look inside, but I've not used them at all. This is how they come, and I will have links to both of these down in the description bar below, guys. I will have the direct link to these items, and remember that you may apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. So yes, I figure I will combine the seashell, something with this, and these beautiful green, emerald green. Now this is a combination. I'm going to try. I wanted to open this over a piece of paper because there are teeny tiny micro beads in here. So if I go ahead and open this, let me go. Oh, this isn't, so this is an assortment of different shapes of these emerald green gems, as well as there are some here that are just clear crystals, and yeah, some interesting. Let me go ahead and bring you up close to these so you can see them. So here's a close-up shot of what the different gems that you see in here, and hopefully this is not blurry. Okay, so I'm looking down, so let's try and find this one. And so this one has, you can see what it looks like on the back. It has the pointed back. I think all of these have the pointed back, and here's this the rectangular one, and I'm going out of focus. Yes, this also has the pointed back, and here's a teardrop. I love the teardrop shape. This one has, I believe these all have the pointed backs. And then there are some in here. I have to change my, I don't know if you, obviously not, this is clear, okay? So as you can see, it's clear, and it's the pointed gem, cut just like a diamond, so it has the diamond cut, and there are several of those in here. I have not counted them, but so out of those there I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There's several of those clear ones in there, but look at these. I'm liking these little green ones too. I believe this is, oh, did I drop it? This is what I'm going to use with my, these are pointed as well. I am going to use these today. So there's this tiny, or not so tiny, but a small size and more of a medium of these. And then we have these square ones. They're crystals. So this is a flat back. Okay. And here's another one just like that one, just slightly, oh no, it's the same size. And then here's an interesting one. These right here, and I might have to change my background color. Give me a second. Okay, so there I've changed my background color. So with these, and this is an oval shape, it's completely clear. So it's like a piece of glass, and it's flat back. It's got the flat back. We have them in oval, round. This is perfectly round. And guys, so this is almost like a magnifying glass. When you put this over, I'm looking forward to it. I won't be doing it today, but I'll be doing it later in the future and doing art using these. So whatever you put under this and this one right here, it magnifies it, okay? So it acts as a magnifying bubble, kind of like a water bubble. And then there's a square one. There you go. Isn't that precious? It's so beautiful. Okay, and then so these right here, what you're seeing is these little micro beads. Yeah, you can use those, but these, I think there's just more for presentation of this little package. I think it's very, very beautiful. It makes them look very unique. And so I am going to put this aside, and I am going to come up with a design. The base for my nails is a Beauty BigBang Chameleon polish, and this is the 003, so this is the base. And yes, so I apply this. I reapply. For those that have been following my videos on the dip powders, I did the redid all my nails with the pink, the darker of the two pinks, not so much the nude, but the pink color of the dip powders. So I did apply this regular polish right over that and let it dry. And then I am going to, still trying to decide, I believe I'm going to use one of the Beauty BigBang stamping plates, this one right here, the XL002, and come up with a design to give you an inspiration, to inspire you in how you will go about using these beautiful gems and put them all together to create a beautiful nail art. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Alright, so here is the final result. This is after I applied top coat to seal really well along, right along, sealing the gaps along the charms right there. You will want to do that, and you do the same application whether you're using regular polish or gel. Okay, you always want to make sure all the gaps are very well sealed to prevent anything for you know, like maybe hair or anything very thin that will fit in between, and it will prevent, you know, keeping you from lifting those charms. And of course, gel and nail glue will be more of a permanent application. Since I am doing a review and swatches here, you know, this is not going to be a permanent application, although I did seal this, so these will stay on pretty good from past experience. And so I really like working with these. They are beautiful. I totally recommend them. One thing that I want to mention is, as far as a good quality charms, and because I've used these before in another mani that I will have. I had the video for that other design that I had done after doing some swatches on gels. Unfortunately, I lost that footage. If you follow me on Instagram, I was mad because I inadvertently deleted the videos from my memory card prior to uploading them or saving them on my hard drive of my laptop. Anyway, I will show you the photo, but since I have used this before and I've removed the manicure, one thing to pay attention with these charms is that they do not tarnish. Okay, they do not own top coat application, or even as using acetone over them. Because sometimes these are reusable. You will want to reuse them, save them after you remove them. You'll want to save them, clean them with acetone to remove the top coat, any clear top coat, and reuse them. So you wouldn't want them to tarnish with acetone or with top coat. I have had some charms and gold micro beads that do that, and they bleed with the top coat application. I was happy to see that these do not do that. And the blue of these that I have used before, the blue ones, I have reused them and they last. So as long, you notice when I turn them upside down, like you can see here, they have that, these have that gold foil on the back, and after removing taking them off, they preserve that foil. So I was able to reuse the gems. So that is all the tips that I have for you guys in regards to these charms. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I like to thank Beauty BigBang for sending me these gorgeous gems and charms to play with and review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.